Hello YouTube, my name's Luke Carefield, I'm 25 years old, I'm from Leeds originally but now I'm based in London, and basically welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube video, and what you're going to find on my channel basically is a big geek talking about movies, TV, pop culture, all the things I really just like to natter on about. So yeah, let's get this started. I thought we'd start with a movie review, and to kick things off we're going to go with Todd Phillips' War Dogs. Now, I had sort of mixed feelings going into this film because Todd Phillips, you may know, is the writer-director of the Hangover movies, which, love the first one, second and third one, yeah, not so keen, but yeah, I went into this with sort of, you know, a slight prejudice thinking this was going to be a bit crap, but actually came out with it really enjoying this film. Gotta say, it really surprised me. 2016 hasn't been a very strong year when it comes to comedies, but this was a very strong one, I thought. And what drives it is this amazing bromance chemistry we get between Miles Teller and Jonah Hill, who basically play these two 20-something stoners who end up becoming arms dealers. Sounds like a silly, off-the-wall premise, but it's actually a very well executed story, which is based on a true story and just done with a lot of fun, zany energy. And yeah, what really sells it is the chemistry between Miles Teller and Jonah Hill. Now I gotta give extra props to Jonah Hill. We went to see a screening of this last night, and Jonah Hill came to introduce the the movie, and you gotta admire this man and his dedication to his craft, because this guy balloons up and shrinks down for his roles. And yeah, he has put on a considerable amount of weight. I mean, just look at that. So yeah, that's how much he looks like that. In the screening, he was stick thin. I was just like, wow, here's an actor that I really admire for like really throwing himself into it. Like, that is real dedication to the craft, so extra props for Jonah Hill. He also gets a few really awesome moments in this film where they really shine for him. Like just this moment where he gets conned by a bunch of drug dealers, and his response to these drug dealers is something that I was in stitches for. It was actually very hilarious. Yeah, so let's talk about the script. Now, while it's not a perfect script, there are some moments where it lulls in places and it's a bit dry in areas. The actual pacing of the script is very good. Like it tells a very clear, concise story. It's got some emotionality thrown into it. You know, you do care for Miles and his wife. He has a baby and all that, and you really do care for these characters. But yeah, there's some moments where it was a little bit, you know, it took a bit of time to get places, but when they went for, you know, the outrageous stuff, they really sold it. Like, there's a scene, which you've probably seen in the trailers, where they are escaping in Baghdad from, like, you know, armed terrorists and all that, and it's just absolutely priceless. So yeah, Todd Phillips done a very good job here. The script is very sharp, the pacing is good, the editing is good. Now, one bit where I was a little bit iffy on was the ending, because like, you do really care for these characters, but the overall resolution feels a little bit rushed, and it leaves you wanting to know more about the characters, where the characters ended up. That was one area that I thought was a little weak. In summary, this was a very good summer film. Like, in terms of how much I was entertained by this, I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, we're looking at about an 8-ish. Yeah, I'd say 8 out of 10. But yeah, a few areas where it could have picked up, could have been a few more laughs, but generally speaking, very entertaining with this film, and I would definitely recommend people to go see it. If you're just looking for something fun and lighthearted, this is definitely it. Right, so one video down, plenty more to come. This is just for this screening. I will unveil my actual background for the next video, but it's a bit more fancy than this, but I'm sure you'll like it. It's a bit geeky, it's very me. But thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. For all things related to movie, TV and popcorn culture, I'm Luke Carefield. Thanks for watching.